Hey, this is Rocket City RV here. The last video I made, I was talking about installing the new 12-volt compressor refrigerator in my RV. I have been working on some other stuff. As you can see, I'm getting all my inflatables out for Christmas time. But before we get into the video, let me introduce my camera girl, Madeline.
Hi.
All right, Madeline's going to be shooting this for me today. Let's get inside the trailer and I'll show you what I've got accomplished. Okay, now that we're in the trailer, as you can see, I've already got the refrigerator installed. I was intending to actually make video of the installation, but I had a very, very short window that I could get my brother to help me, so we went ahead and pulled the old one out and put the new one in. But there are some installation tips that I'm going to give you. It is very tight. The Norcold 8 cubic foot two-way that came out of here, this did fit perfectly in the hole without any cutting whatsoever. We did have to put a 5/16 piece of wood underneath to lift it up a little bit because it's a little shorter, believe it or not, than this Norcold. One thing also that you'll need to note when you put this in is that the Norcold is actually flush with this wall, with this surface. If you had a Norcold and you're actually putting a Furrion in here, these doors actually protrude by about 2.5 inches. So if you have a clearance issue in front of this refrigerator, you need to note that. Luckily, this refrigerator is still behind the front of the slide here, so it's when the slide comes in, there's still plenty of room. Got this refrigerator in, it's working perfectly. I want to show you how deep this new refrigerator is. You guys know how much depth you have in a Norcold. Back up and look at, you got it that much deep in my arm goes back that far into the refrigerator. A lot of deep, a lot of space. Same thing with the freezer. Just turned it on and it's already extremely cold in there. We've got that much depth in the freezer. That's a lot more room. They're getting that room by making these doors protrude out a little further, so you're getting about 2.5 inches of depth in the front, and then all that equipment for that two-way that was on the back is not there in this one, and it takes up that whole space. So you've got 10 usable cubic feet in this versus the Norcold, which had in the bottom, it was actually difficult to even put a large container of milk in the Norcold refrigerator. Very happy with this. It's running perfectly. All the wiring is good. This project's done. So now that I've wrapped this project up, I do have a new video that I'm going to make in the next few weeks about some routines that I've discovered that Alexa can do, and I won't share too many details there. It's kind of fun. Also could be kind of useful. That'll be coming out in the next couple of weeks. So anyway, that's what I got for you. The Norcold the Furrion 12-volt compressor fridge will fit in an opening for a Norcold two-way 8 cubic foot, and it fit in there like a glove. This is Rocket City RVer. If you like this video, like and subscribe.